So you set up a sequence in Kartra, but it's showing that people are being added to the sequence, but emails are not sending. If this sounds like a problem that you have, then this is what you need to check. Go into Kartra, go into the sequence that isn't sending, and what you need to check is that each of these action steps has a line drawn between them. So get the little plus sign and just drag it down. If there is no line in between it, the system doesn't know what the next step is. So you need to make sure that those lines are there, and it doesn't do it automatically. So just draw the lines down. If you want to arrange items, you can auto arrange the items so they're all nice and neat. That will then start sending out. You can then save and exit, and that is it, done. And then your sequence will start sending after that point. Hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hints and tips to help you grow your business.